In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export Visio files in a Confluence page. If you're new to using Visio files with Confluence, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be handling them with ease. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, to get started, you'll want to log into your Confluence account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to work with your Visio file. This step is fairly straightforward, but remember that having all your login credentials handy will make this process a breeze. Now that you're in your workspace, you'll need to edit the Confluence page where you want to add the Visio file. Look for the Edit option. Usually it's prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Clicking this will open the page editor, allowing you to make changes. Once your Confluence page is in edit mode, you're ready to import your Visio file. Simply drag and drop the Visio file directly into the editor. It couldn't be easier. Just grab your file, drag it over to the browser window, and let it drop right into that page editor. After you've dropped your Visio file into the editor, you'll notice that it appears as a file link in the document. This is how Confluence visualizes attachments, and it's useful because anyone who accesses the page can see and interact with the link. With your file link in place, it's time to publish your page. By doing so, you're making the Confluence page available for others to see. Once published, people can easily click on this file link to download it and then open the Visio file in Microsoft Visio itself. This is incredibly helpful for collaborative environments where team members might need to view the files on their own systems. Let's move on to exporting Visio files from Confluence. This process complements what we just did and ensures you can manage your Visio files effectively. To begin, go back to the Confluence page that contains the Visio file link. When you're on the page, click on the Visio file link you've previously added. Look for a download option usually found directly below the file link. Clicking this will initiate the download of the Visio file to your local machine, allowing you to utilize it outside of Confluence as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you're able to both import Visio files into Confluence pages and export them out for further use. With these skills in hand, you can confidently manage your Visio documents within Confluence, aiding your collaborative workflow significantly. Thanks for watching and happy confluencing.